So now let's see how we can export out animations from within Adobe Spark. So I've already applied a zoom animation, as you can see. And if you want to share it with others, then what you can do is you can simply click download right here. And since this is an animation, you can see that MP4 is an option right here. So you can simply hit on start download, and then a video is exported out here. So here it says we are exporting your video. So it takes some time to process out. And it's almost complete now. It says hang tight. And you can see that now it is available for download. So let me just open and play it out right ahead. And you can see that this is in MP4 format. It exported as a video file, and then we can now access it in our computer. So that is how you can export animations from within Spark Post. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.